Hello children, again I am here with G Science Chapter 3 Animals Bird. So in previous two videos we have completed these chapters and today we will do exercise and question answer. So let's start. Now come to question number 1. Tick the correct option. Now all of you see here. Which bird has the feet shown in the picture above? So which bird feet? It's crow, it's parrot, it's duck or it's eagle. So which bird? It's parrot feet. Okay, you put tick mark. So now question number 2. Which picture shows the feet of a scratching bird? So now see carefully all the feet. So which bird? Which feet? See this A number. Okay. So put tick mark here. So number 3rd. To catch and eat their food, bird use their wings, feather, beaks or both. A and C means both wings and feathers. So what they use? They use beak. So C is the correct. So now next. Feet with 3 toes in front and 1 at the back help the perching bird to hold the tree branch firmly, to climb and cling to a branch of a tree, to push the water back while swimming, to walk in shallow water. So A number is correct. Okay. Number 5th. This bird has talon which help to catch or hold its prey firmly. Hen, sparrow, owl or parrot. So which is the correct option? Owl. Okay. Now this is completed. Now come to B number. Fill in the blanks. So birds like sparrow have dash beak. So what is this answer? Strong and hard beak. So sparrow have strong and hard beaks. Chisel shaped beak help a dash to make hole in a tree trunk. So woodpecker. Number 3rd. Birds like crane walk through water which is called wading. Number 4. Claws of the praying birds are called talons. Number 5th. Duck and geese have broad and flat beak. Okay. Now fill-ups also completed. Now next C number. Name the bird. I walk in shallow water. Which bird walk in shallow water? 2 birds, na? So now name start with C. So which bird? Crane. C-R-A-N-E, crane. Next, I have webbed feet that help me to paddle, that help to swim. Okay. So which bird? Duck. It start with D, na? So duck. I have talons that help me hold the prey. Which bird? First word started with E letter. So what you will write here? Eagle. Next, I have strong legs and hard claws to scratch the ground. So which bird? Hen. I have claws that help me to hold onto branch firmly. So which bird? So here first letter is S. So sparrow. Now C also completed. Now come to D. Now answer this question in 1 or 2 sentences. So now see number 1. Name any 2 birds which have short and hard beaks and 2 climbing birds. So which bird have short and hard beaks? Now all of you take a look here. See here. Short and hard beak. Which bird? Here 4 names: sparrow, pigeon, peacock and robin. You can write any 2 names. Okay. So now 2 climbing birds. See climbing birds, parrot and woodpecker. Okay. So now you have understood first answer. Now next, why do hummingbirds have long and pointed beaks? So now see here, you can write from here, hummingbirds have long and pointed beaks because they suck nectar from flower. Okay, understood this answer? Because they suck nectar from flower. Okay, clear second answer? Now third, what is perching? So now all of you see here, perching. So birds which have long slender claws helps them to hold the tree branches firmly. Okay, this action of sitting is perching. Understood this answer? So now short answer is completed. Now come to E number. Answer these questions in detail. So what is number 1? Describe the feet and claws of praying bird and climbing bird. So first we will describe about praying bird. See. So you will write all. Okay, birds like eagle, hawk and owls have very strong and sharp claws. Called claws, then called talons. These help them to catch and hold their prey firmly. Okay, understood this answer? And now next was, here only I have discussed about praying birds. Now we will discuss about climbing birds. Now all of you see here, climbing birds. So climbing birds like parrot and woodpecker have 2 toes pointing upward and 2 pointing backward. So these help them to climb the branch of a tree. So whole you write. Okay, praying bird and climbing bird. Understood first answer? Now next, what type of a beak does a sparrow have? So first we will discuss this part. What type of beak? So sparrow have strong, short and hard beak. Understood? Sparrow, you don't write have, you write has. Sparrow has strong, short and hard beak. Now what was the next in that question only? Why crows or sparrows do not fall off while sleeping on a branch? So from here only you can start. Crow or sparrow do not fall off while sleeping on a branch because they have 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. So these toes curl around the tree. This helps birds to hold the tree branches firmly. Okay, up to here you write this answer. Now next question, how is the beak useful to a bird? Now all of you see here. So bird use their beak. Here you'll add bird. Okay, Bird use their beak to catch, to eat food, and to protect themselves from their enemy. Okay, understood this answer? Bird use their beak to catch, to eat food, and to protect themselves from their enemies. Now next question. Question number 4. What is wading? Name 3 wading birds and describe their legs. Now all of you see the answer. Birds which walk through the water is called wading. So first you write this answer. What is wading? So bird which walk through the water is called wading. Okay. 3 wading birds are? They are cranes, herons and flamingos. And these wading birds have long legs and spreading toes. Legs and spreading toes, which help them to walk in shallow water. Understood this answer? So now next. What type of feet do duck and swan have? Now see this answer. Duck and swan have webbed feet. Okay. So now one part is clear. Now next part. Why are the beaks of duck and geese broad and flat? So from here you can start. The beaks of duck and geese broad and flat because it helps them to catch small plants or tiny water animals. Understood this answer? Now question answer is completed. Okay. Now do this matching also. You have to match the beak to the bird it belongs. Do this also in your book. So now these exercise you do in your book and question answer you do in your G Science notebook. Okay, thank you.